In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding a searchable directory to your Wix site. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded search experience that helps visitors quickly find products, blog posts, services, and key pages right from anywhere on your site. Start in your Wix account by opening the site editor. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the App Market icon. It's the one that looks like a grid of squares. This is where you'll add the search tool that powers your directory. In the app market, use the search bar at the top and type Wix Site Search. When you see it, click Add to Site. Wix will place a new search bar on your page automatically. Don't worry about perfect placement yet. You'll style and position it shortly. Next, click the search bar and choose Settings. Head into Manage Search Results to decide what content should be discoverable. Use the toggles to include or exclude specific types like products, blog posts, services, or individual pages. Think about your visitors' goals. If you run an online store, turn on products. If your blog drives traffic, let posts be searchable. If certain pages are more helpful than others, enable only the ones that matter. This keeps results clean and relevant. While you're still in settings, customize the order in which results appear. Drag and drop the content categories to prioritize what shows first, perhaps products above blog posts or services ahead of general pages. This way, the most important content surfaces at the top and users reach it with fewer clicks. Now make it look like it belongs to your brand. Click the search bar and select the design icon, the paint brush. Choose a layout that fits your page structure. A compact bar works well in a header for site-wide access, while a larger centered bar is great on a dedicated directory page. Match your brand by adjusting fonts, colors, borders, and background fills. Aim for strong contrast so text is easy to read, and keep the style consistent with your buttons and headings. Time to test. Click Preview at the top right of the editor and run a few searches. Try product names, blog topics, or team roles to mimic real user behavior. Make sure results are accurate, the order feels right, and the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile. If something feels off, return to settings or design and fine-tune. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make your searchable directory live. That's it. You've added a polished, searchable directory to your Wix site that's useful, on brand, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.